In this video, we listed the 20 best new tools for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Auto Darkening Welding Goggles. Auto Darkening Welding Goggles are an advanced protective solution for welders, offering superior safety, visibility, and comfort during a variety of welding applications such as TIG, MIG, stick, and plasma cutting. Designed to meet the demands of both professional and hobbyist welders, these goggles are equipped with cutting-edge features to enhance performance and protection. One standout feature is the True Color technology, which allows users to see more natural colors through the lens, significantly reducing eye strain and improving accuracy during intricate welds. The digital LCD lens provides adjustable shade levels, switching automatically within milliseconds upon detecting the welding arc. This auto-darkening capability ensures optimal eye protection without the need to constantly flip the lens up or down. These goggles are often integrated into a detachable welding helmet, which includes a neck and shoulder drape for full face and upper body protection against sparks, UV, IR radiation, and heat. Product 2. Product name: Pressure Vacuum Breaker Assembly. A pressure vacuum breaker assembly, PVB, is a critical component in plumbing systems designed to prevent the backflow of contaminated water into the potable, drinking, water supply. It is particularly important in irrigation systems, sprinkler setups, and other outdoor or commercial water connections where the risk of backsiphonage exists. The Zurn Wilkins 1-720A 1-inch 720A pressure vacuum breaker assembly is a reliable and industry-trusted model that offers dependable backflow prevention. Featuring a 1-inch connection size, this assembly is ideal for residential, commercial, and light industrial applications. Its key features include high-performance design, engineered with corrosion-resistant materials for long-lasting performance and durability in outdoor conditions. Test cocks and shutoff valves, equipped with test cocks and integral shutoff valves for easy maintenance, inspection, and winterization. Anti-siphon functionality, designed to protect against backsiphonage under high-pressure conditions, ensuring that contaminated water cannot flow backward into the clean water supply. Code compliance, meets or exceeds industry standards, often required by local plumbing codes for irrigation and sprinkler systems. Product 3. Product name: Viper Robust Steel Sport Shop Chair. The Viper Robust Steel Sport Shop Chair is a high-performance, heavy-duty garage stool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Built to support up to 300 pounds, this mechanic's chair combines rugged durability with ergonomic comfort, making it ideal for extended tasks in automotive garages, workshops, and home DIY setups. With its bold black seat and vibrant red steel frame, the chair stands out in both appearance and performance. It features a supportive backrest to reduce fatigue during long hours of work and large, smooth rolling wheels that allow effortless mobility around the workspace, even over rough surfaces. Their wide stance and robust steel construction provide stability, while the adjustable height makes it versatile for various tasks, from tire work to engine detailing. Product 4. Product name: V-Propane Torch Weed Burner. The V-Propane Torch Weed Burner is a heavy-duty, high-output propane blowtorch designed for a wide range of outdoor and industrial applications. With a powerful 1,800,000 BTU output, this flamethrower-style torch is built to handle tough tasks efficiently. It features a turbo trigger push-button igniter for easy and quick startups, eliminating the need for external lighters or matches. A 10-foot hose provides ample flexibility and reach, allowing users to access hard-to-reach areas safely and conveniently. This torch is not only effective for weed control along driveways, sidewalks, and gardens, but also excels in demanding jobs such as roofing, asphalt melting, ice and snow removal, road marking, and even charcoal lighting. Its robust construction and precision control make it suitable for both DIY homeowners and professionals who require reliable performance in extreme conditions. The V-Propane Torch Weed Burner stands out as a versatile and powerful solution for anyone looking to harness flame for functional outdoor work. Product 5. Product name: Plumbing Tools. Plumbing tools are essential for both professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts when it comes to installing, repairing, or maintaining water systems. Among these tools, specialized wrenches play a crucial role in managing fittings and connections efficiently. One such tool is the angle stop wrench, often included in angle-on wrench kits, which are specifically designed for tasks like installing new compression angle stops and removing old compression rings with ease. These tools are crafted to navigate tight spaces under sinks or behind toilets where traditional wrenches struggle. The angle stop removal tool allows plumbers to safely and quickly extract stubborn compression rings and angle stop valves without damaging pipes. Built with durable materials and ergonomic designs, these plumbers' wrenches are indispensable for ensuring leak-free and professional quality installations. Product 6. Product name: Tiger Tool Slack Adjuster Puller. The Tiger Tool Slack Adjuster Puller, Model 10410, is a specialized heavy-duty tool designed specifically for removing Haldex self-adjusting slack adjusters, which are commonly found in Class 6 to 8 commercial and heavy-duty transportation trucks and equipment. Engineered for precision and durability, this puller makes it significantly easier and faster to service brake systems by safely and effectively extracting slack adjusters without causing damage to surrounding components. Built for use with multi-adjustable Haldex models, the 10410 tool is essential for maintenance professionals working on fleet vehicles, semi-trucks, buses, and other heavy machinery. Its rugged design ensures long-term performance in demanding shop or field conditions. This tool not only boosts efficiency by reducing downtime during brake service jobs but also enhances safety by eliminating the need for hammering or makeshift methods that could result in injury or damage. Product 7. Product name: MARSHALLTOWN Brick Trowels. The MARSHALLTOWN Brick Trowels, specifically the London Style 11x4 and 7/8 inch model with the Durasoft handle, 3311FG, are premium tools designed for professional masons and serious DIYers involved in brickwork, blockwork, stonework, and general masonry projects. Made in the USA, these trowels are engineered for durability, balance, and comfort, making them ideal for precision tasks and heavy-duty use alike. The London-style blade is particularly suited for working with bricks and mortar, offering a narrow profile that helps scoop and place mortar with maximum control and minimal waste. The Durasoft handle provides a soft, ergonomic grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use while maintaining a secure, non-slip hold, even in wet conditions. Product 8. Product name: Mantis Large Pry Bar. The Mantis Large Pry Bar is a heavy-duty, ergonomically designed multi-demolition tool tailored for efficient, stand-up removal of flooring materials like carpet tack strips, underlayment, and vinyl. Built for professionals and DIYers alike, the Mantis allows users to stay upright while working, significantly reducing strain on the back and knees compared to traditional pry bars. This large pry bar features a durable steel construction for maximum leverage and longevity, and its angled design ensures quick and easy removal with minimal effort. Ideal for remodeling, flooring replacement, or demolition projects, the Mantis combines power, comfort, and convenience to make flooring removal faster, cleaner, and safer. Product 9. Product name: Stainless Steel Toilet Plunger. The stainless steel toilet plunger is a high-efficiency drain cleaning tool designed to tackle stubborn clogs in a variety of household plumbing fixtures. Built with durability and functionality in mind, this plunger features a sleek stainless steel construction that not only offers a modern, rust-resistant design but also enhances strength and longevity. Unlike traditional plungers, this model incorporates a high-pressure air drain blaster system equipped with a visual barometer, allowing users to monitor and control the amount of pressure used for each job. This makes it ideal for effectively removing tough blockages in toilets, sinks, bathtubs, kitchen drains, and clogged pipes, without the need for harsh chemicals. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and easy handling, while interchangeable nozzles increase versatility across different drain types. Product 10. Product name: Spit Pulsar 40P+. The Spit Pulsar 40P+ is a cordless gas nailer designed for fastening drywall tracks into concrete, steel, and masonry. Weighing approximately 3.7 kilograms, it offers enhanced maneuverability and access to tight spaces. Its lithium-ion battery supports up to 3,500 shots per charge, and the tool can fire up to 1,000 fixings per hour, significantly boosting productivity. The nailer accommodates fasteners ranging from 15mm to 40mm in length and features a 20-pin magazine capacity. Additional features include start and go technology for energy efficiency, tool-free depth adjustment, and an ergonomic, non-slip handle for user comfort. The Pulsar 40P Plus is supplied with a high-impact carry case, battery, charger, safety glasses, and an instruction manual. Product 11. Product name: Chisel Sharpening Jig. A chisel sharpening jig is a handy tool designed to help woodworkers achieve precise and consistent sharpening of chisels and planes. This specific jig is designed to accommodate chisels and planes with a width range from 0.1 inch to 2.8, and features a sharpening angle fixture that allows for easy adjustments of the sharpening angle from 10 degrees to 45 degrees. The jig includes an angle gauge, which ensures that the angle of the blade is maintained throughout the sharpening process, resulting in a more accurate and sharper edge. This is crucial for tasks such as woodworking, where the sharpness of the tools directly impacts the quality of the work. The wood honing guide allows for a smooth and controlled sharpening experience, which is essential for maintaining the longevity and effectiveness of chisels and plane blades. For users who value precision and efficiency in their tools, the chisel sharpening jig helps eliminate the guesswork and skill required in manually holding chisels at the correct angle, offering a straightforward and reliable sharpening solution. Product 12. Product name: Weaver 750W Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. The Weaver 750W Stand Airless Paint Sprayer is a high-efficiency electric airless sprayer designed for both home and professional use. With a 750W motor and a powerful 3000 psi pressure rating, this sprayer delivers a smooth, fine, and even coating, making it ideal for a variety of tasks like painting home interiors, furniture, fences, and exteriors. The stand design adds convenience, making it easy to use for extended periods without hand fatigue. The handheld option provides versatility, allowing for precision control in intricate areas. This sprayer is particularly valuable for those looking for quick and efficient application, as it eliminates the need for traditional brushes or rollers. Its electric airless system ensures a consistent spray pattern, reducing overspray and wastage, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional painter, the Weaver 750W Stand Airless Paint Sprayer is built to provide excellent results, saving time and effort in large-scale projects. Product 13. Product name: Mini Chainsaw. The Mini Chainsaw 6-inch from Makita battery is a compact and portable cordless power tool designed for small-scale cutting tasks such as wood cutting and tree trimming. This mini chainsaw is compatible with Makita's 18V lithium batteries, offering convenience and flexibility, especially for users who already own Makita tools and batteries. Its 6-inch blade is ideal for trimming small branches, cutting firewood, and handling light garden tasks without the bulk and weight of larger chainsaws. Key features include a security lock for added safety, ensuring the chainsaw only operates when intentionally triggered, preventing accidental activation. It also comes with 2 replacement chains, extending the tool's lifespan and allowing for a backup when the current chain becomes dull. Despite its smaller size, the handheld design makes it highly portable and easy to maneuver, perfect for quick tasks in tight spaces or for users who want a less cumbersome option than traditional chainsaws. Product 14. Product name: Electric Patient Lift. An electric patient lift is an essential tool designed to assist caregivers in transferring patients with limited mobility, offering enhanced comfort, safety, and ease during the transfer process. This portable lift, ideal for home use, is equipped with a full body sling and commode opening, making it versatile for various patient care needs. The lift's rechargeable battery eliminates the need for constant plugging into a power source, ensuring that it remains functional even in areas with limited access to outlets. This particular model has a 400 pounds weight capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of individuals, and is designed for ease of use, with no assembly required upon purchase. The ultra-quiet motor ensures a smooth and discreet transfer, reducing any potential distress or discomfort to the patient. Moreover, the foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use, making it convenient for homes with limited space. Product 15. Product name: No Cry Professional Construction Knee Pads. The No Cry Professional Construction Knee Pads are designed for both men and women, offering essential protection and comfort during various construction or heavy-duty tasks. These knee pads feature non-slip heavy-duty caps that provide extra durability and traction on slippery surfaces, ensuring stability in demanding environments. They are equipped with thick foam and gel cushioning that ensures maximum comfort for extended use, making them ideal for jobs that require kneeling for long periods. In addition to comfort, these knee pads offer ankle support to reduce strain and provide enhanced stability. Their reinforced adjustable straps ensure a secure and customized fit, while military-grade rivets enhance the overall durability and long-lasting performance of the knee pads, even under tough conditions. For those who engage in intense manual labor, such as construction, DIY projects, or home improvement, the No Cry Professional Construction Knee Pads are a must-have accessory. Product 16. Product name: High-Speed Drill Bit Set. The Bad Dog Intro 7-piece multi-purpose high-speed drill bit set is a versatile and durable tool set designed to tackle a wide range of materials with ease. Made in the USA, this set includes drill bits featuring carbide, titanium, cobalt tips, and armor steel hex shanks, ensuring superior performance and longevity. These high-speed drill bits are perfect for drilling through various materials, including metals, masonry, wood, tile, and more. Whether you're working on home improvement projects, construction tasks, or DIY projects, these drill bits provide the strength and precision required to drill through tough surfaces. The combination of materials and innovative design makes this set an essential addition to any toolbox, offering reliability and efficiency for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Product 17. Product name: ShopVac 6.5 Peak HP Wet Dry Vacuum. The ShopVac 14-gallon 6.5 Peak HP Wet Dry Vacuum, Model 5973136, is a powerful, versatile cleaning tool designed to handle a variety of tasks, both indoors and outdoors. With a 14-gallon capacity and a 6.5 peak horsepower motor, this vacuum is ideal for tackling heavy-duty jobs such as cleaning up large spills, debris, and wet messes. It can handle both wet and dry materials, making it highly functional for diverse cleaning needs, from workshop floors to garage spaces and even car interiors. Key features include high suction power. The 6.5 peak horsepower motor ensures strong suction power for both wet and dry applications, making it efficient for cleaning up large amounts of debris and liquids. Large capacity. With a 14-gallon tank, it allows for longer cleaning sessions without frequent emptying, which is especially useful for big projects or environments with large cleanup areas. Complete accessory set. This vacuum comes with various attachments like hoses and filters, adding flexibility for different cleaning tasks. The included filter helps trap dirt, dust, and allergens, while the hose ensures a long reach, making it easier to clean hard-to-reach spots. Durability and portability. Built for durability, this model is designed to withstand tough conditions, whether you're cleaning up in the garage or dealing with construction debris. Product 18. Product name: Bed Vacuum Cleaner with 16 kPa suction power. The Bed Vacuum Cleaner with 16 kPa suction power, a 500W motor, and a powerful double-cup mattress cleaning system is designed to offer a thorough and efficient cleaning solution for your bed and other upholstered surfaces. Equipped with advanced features like a dust sensor, ultrasonic technology, and heating tech, it ensures deep cleaning by removing dust, allergens, mites, and bacteria that may be embedded within mattresses and bedding. This cleaner uses HEPA filters to trap tiny particles, preventing them from being released back into the air, making it especially useful for people with allergies. The ultrasonic technology helps in breaking down stubborn dirt, while the heating tech effectively eliminates bacteria and mites. With its corded design, it ensures continuous power for longer cleaning sessions without the need for recharging. Overall, this bed vacuum cleaner offers a convenient and hygienic way to maintain a clean and healthy sleeping environment.